Hey guys, today let's try how to put a countdown timer to an Instagram story. Alright, so this is going to be pretty easy guys, because what we need to do first is to launch the Instagram application, and once you're already there, I want you to tap on your option to post a story. So I want you guys to just go ahead and proceed with tapping on this plus icon, and then proceeding with choosing your preferred photo. So let's say I'm going to choose this screenshot right here. I want you to access next your stickers option. So tap on your stickers icon, and once you're there, I want you to tap on the second icon. Basically, this is going to show you the option to access your countdown. Or you could also tap on this option, which is basically a countdown. It basically says countdown right here. And once you tap on that, it's going to allow you to choose a specific name for that countdown. So let's say this is going to be a countdown for, let's say, Mother's Day. And you could enter the date and time of this, of when the countdown is going to end. Of course, you do need to choose a future date so that, of course, the countdown is going to work fine. So let's say a future date from now, May 17th. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And then you can now proceed with tapping on done. And then your countdown has now commenced. You could actually proceed with tapping on this once more and changing the colors of it depending on how you would like it. And essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.